Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to blend your overlays with your photo. So first, place your overlay on your photo, File, Place Embedded. Okay, next, to change the contrast to match your photo, if the overlay seems to be a little bit different than what your tone is in your photo, you'll go down here to the Create New Fill or Adjustment layer, select Levels, and then right click on the Levels layer, create clipping mask, and you can use, there's 5 sets of arrows, okay? They slide. This one creates more contrast. This one brightens. So you can kind of just play with these to kind of see about where it needs to fall to blend in with your photo. I think just a little pop of contrast here, and then playing with the darkness too. Lightness, darkness. Okay, so I feel like that looks pretty good for the photo. Now I want to blend the bunny in, so I'm going to click on bunny layer, and I'm going to create a layer mask, vector mask, and then go over to your brush, make sure it's set to black with 0%, a low flow, and then we're going to come in here and blend the rabbit into the grass. Okay, and if you want to add detail back, you can switch it to white. Okay, like so. Okay, that's a quick how-to on how to blend your overlays. Thank you for watching.